Notes 10b. Multiplying polynomials. Objective. I can multiply polynomials. Essential question. What are the steps to multiply two expressions together? Let's review the distributive property from Notes 10a. Remember, 5x plus 2 times 7x minus 3 is the same as 5x times 7x minus 3 plus 2 times 7x minus 3. And from there we would just distribute these and combine like terms. 5x times 7x is 35x squared. 5x times negative 3 is negative 15x. 2 times 7x is plus 14x. And 2 times negative 3 is minus 6. Combine the like terms. So we have 35x squared minus 1x minus 6. And that is our standard form. Now let's do the box method. We're still doing factor to standard. And we're using the same factors as before. So what we want to do is write the 5x plus 2 on top of the box. And we write the 7x minus 3 on the side of the box. 7x and 5x is 35x squared. 7x times 2 plus 14x. Negative 3 times 5x is minus 15x. And negative 3 times 2 is minus 6. Let's combine the like terms. 14x minus 15x is going to be negative 1x. So our standard form is 35x squared minus 1x minus 6. And if you look above here, that's the same answer we got before. Now let's do a different example. We're going to do the box method with trinomials. So it's the same as before, except for now we're going to have 3 terms at the top instead of 2. So we have x squared plus 2x and minus 6 at the top, and on the side we have x minus 4. Now we're going to multiply and put those in the boxes. We have x, x, x. Those are 3 x's there, so we have x to the third power. 2x times x, we have plus 2xx, x squared. X times negative 6 minus 6x. X squared times negative 4x squared. Negative 4 times 2x, negative 8x. And negative 4 times negative 6, positive 24. Alright, let's combine the diagonals. We have x cubed, and then 2x squared minus 4x squared is minus 2x squared. And then negative 6x plus negative 8x is negative 14x. So put minus 14x. And then we put our constant at the end, plus 24. And this is our standard form. Now we're going to use the same example again, except for now we're going to do the FOIL method. first, outer, inner, last. So we multiply first term of each factor. 5x times 7x. That's 35x squared. Outer, we're going to multiply the outer terms of each factor. 5x times negative 3. And that equals negative 15x. Inner, we're going to multiply the inner terms of each factor. 2 times 7x is 14x. And then last, we're going to multiply the last term of each of the factors. 2 times negative 3. 2 times negative 3 is minus 6. Combine these two to give you negative 1x. So your standard form is 35x squared minus 1x minus 6. And this is your standard form, going from factor to standard using the FOIL method. Now, whether you use the expansion to distribute each term from the first example, or the box method where you draw a box, or the FOIL method is up to you. Choose the one you like the best out of these three after writing all three in your notes. Let's look at this example. X minus 6 squared. There's a 2 there, so we're going to expand this and repeat this factor twice. So we have x minus 6 times x minus 6. For this example, I'm going to go ahead and draw a box and show you the box method for this example. So first you draw a box, and then you put x minus 6 at the top and x minus 6 on the side. X times x is xx. X is second power. X times negative 6 is negative 6x. X times negative 6 is negative 6x. Negative 6 times negative 6 is a positive 36. Combine the diagonal, the like terms, the two x's, and we get minus 12x. So your standard form is x squared minus 12x plus 36. Okay, now the last example, we have vertex to standard. So instead of factor to standard, we're going to take it further and go from vertex to standard. So you want to follow the 5-step plan. Step 1, expand. We have 2 parentheses x plus 4 parentheses x plus 4 close parentheses plus 8. The factor is repeated twice because there's a 2 right there. That's the exponent. It's repeated multiplication. Step 2, multiply those repeated factors out. Again, I'll use the box method for these notes. So we write x plus 4 at the top and x plus 4 on the side. X times x is xx. X squared. X is second power. X times 4 is plus 4x. X times 4 is plus 4x. And 4 times 4 is positive 16. Combine the like terms, that diagonal right here. 4x plus 4x is 8x. We're going to rewrite that right here. So 2 parentheses x squared plus 8x plus 16. Again, this 8x came from adding these two together. And then we carry down our plus 8. Our next step, we want to distribute, multiply each term by that 2 on the outside. 2 times x squared is 2x squared. 2 times 8x is plus 16x. 2 times 16 is plus 32. And then we carry down the plus 8. From here, let's combine our like terms. 32 plus 8 is 40. and then carry down the other two terms to get your final answer. 2x squared plus 16x plus 40. And that is our standard form. So let's go over that 5-step plan again. Step 1, expand. Step 2, multiply out using the box method. Step 3, distribute. Well, let's rewrite before we distribute. Step 4, distribute. And step 5, combine like terms. So again, step 1, we expand the factor to make 2 factors. Step 2, we multiply these repeated factors out using the box method or FOIL. Step 3, we rewrite our expression. Step 4, we distribute the number on the very outside of the parentheses. And step 5, we combine like terms. You won't always use all 5 of these steps, but this is the most amount of steps you'll have for a problem like this.